Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I will share you some template that we tested on different niches. So industry specific cold mail that convert. So I will give you 10 exact template what we are using for different niches we are targeting. So what convert in SaaS will fall in e-commerce. Okay, what works for agencies, bombs, enterprises, and it will not work for medical industries. So today in this video, I will share you 10 proven cold mail template for different industries. It is not any assuming or based data. It's a real packed data from after sending 10,000 email to that prospected. Okay, so you will get a clear concept about how we are sending emails, and if you just copy and pasted these emails a template, that I think you will get a lot of good result. So the one size fits all approach to cold mail is dead now. Like if you are sending like a cold mail to all of your prospects, the same template, same things, it's not work right now. Okay, so it maybe works in back in 2017-18, but for now in 2025 it will not work. So we have spent 6 months testing these different template across industries, and the result are shocking. Okay, so today you'll get like industry specific templates that convert, real open and response rate, and actual example that generate revenue, industry specific do's and don'ts. Okay, so let's talk about first in SaaS industry. SaaS is so popular right now. So if you are targeting SaaS industries, let's like see how the template can be. You can using a personalized email, how you can make in SaaS. So hi, first name. Noticed your company name is using your competitor tool for function, any kind of function. Okay, so like noticed blah 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 company is using pipl.ai for lead generation. Okay, so our customer switched from competitor and saw a specific metric improvement in 90 days in a specific time frame. Okay, would you be open to seeing how we achieve this result? Best your name. Okay, it's so simple, so personalized and so small. Okay, it's not a paragraph type things, and you need to give a lot of time to read it. You can see it's just a 2-3 line email, so people will definitely read it. Okay, so you need to always precise your email and make it small. Okay, so why it worked, right? So it mentioned the current tool stack, like they are saying yes, we did some research on them and what tools they are using, we already mentioned it. Okay, specific competitor comparison, that means what industry we are in and who is our competitor, we already researched it. Okay, so that means we are doing some research on them before reaching to them. So that is personalization. Okay, so clear metric of improvement, we already told them, like competitors saw specific metrics like 40% lead improvement in 90 days or 30 days. Okay, specific time frame, short and direct. You can see it's a direct approach and it's so short. Like if you are doing personalized email, okay, that not mean you need to like put a lot of information about their current job or anything, what the recent achievement they get, and make your email long. It's not like that. It need to be short, simple and on point. Okay, so this is the direct email we use. Okay, so the next one is agency template. Like if you are targeting marketing agencies and creative agencies, then I think this template it will give you good result. Like high name, just analyzed companies specific marketing channel and spotted 3 opportunities for your competitor that aren't leveraging. Okay, so like specific observation like lead generation, paid ads, or LinkedIn outreach, this kind of thing. Then your offer, we helped a similar company implemented this strategy and achieved like 40% result in 90 days or 30 days. Okay, would you be interested to open seeing how we completely analyze it? Okay, so it's, you can see we are giving them the specific observation, specific problem they are facing, and the opportunities they can improve by working with us. So I think it's a great template, and this is generating us like 80 meeting Okay, 18 meeting, they generate this template generated us from only 5,000 email we send, and we generated 18 meeting, and there is a lot of positive reply. All positive reply will not book meeting with you. So we got 18 meeting from 5,000 emails sent from this template. So this is really good. Okay, the success factor is here like free value upfront. We already did some research about them, and we are giving them their like gap. So computer analyze specific observation, clear result. You can see we did their computer analyze and what the problem they can face, and we already give them their a targeted outcome. So this is a good email, I believe, and I hope you just not see it, you just copy and paste it and try it, and I hope you will get a good result. Good result. And that is e-commerce. Okay, so many people are targeting e-commerce, and many people think e-commerce is so hard. Okay, because e-commerce need different approach. Okay, the B2B service based business, how we write email, it is not working on the e-commerce base because it's product selling, right? So you need to write your emails in a different approach. So the email we are using right now, that is, hi, first name, your product category on company caught my attention, especially the specific product feature. Okay, you can see how like it's super personalized. Like if you see a Shopify store owner or any e-commerce store owner see that like your t-shirt on your company caught my attention, especially their cotton in 90% fabrics or something like that. I am just telling you the things. I hope you believe that. I hope you understand that. Then it's so much popular, personalized. So then we help similar stores increase their AOV by percentage, like 9% just through like our insane strategies. For example, the store name saw a 90% revenue in just 60 days. Okay, would you be open to would you be a good time to share how we can adapt this for your company? Okay, it's, you can see it's definitely it's personalized, but it's short, simple and on point, and everyone if they read your email they can easily understand that. Okay, so there is no rocket science here. Okay, so you need to like make your email on a simple language, then people can understand it. I saw many email that are like a hard word, and that is confusing. So you need to write your email, it's so simple way. Okay, the key element is here like product specific mention, AOV for a focus and quick time frame and real result. Okay, enterprise approach, that is mutual connections. You need to find a mutual connection of their companies and mention their name. Like Robert mentioned you initiative about specific goal at company. We helped enterprises like reference company understand similar challenges through solutions approach result in a specific outcome one, outcome 2, outcome 3. Okay, would you be open to exploring how the framework can support your company's journeys? Okay, so you can see it's short, simple, but it's on point. Okay, now the factor is working here like social proof, enterprise references, multiple outcomes, initiate alignment. SMB's template, that is small medium businesses template, that congrats on your recent achievement or milestone at your company. As you scale, we are facing challenges with common industry pain point, like they are facing challenges with like lead generation or booking meetings, and we help like numbers local businesses solve through specific solution type, like typically seeing like 90 days within a time frame. Okay, it's a good, like it's the best like email template you can use. You just copy it and paste it and just try it for at least 1 month, and after that check result by yourself. Okay, so the success element is personalized task, quick implement, clear time frames, and local relevancy. Okay, industry specific tips, that is on if you are targeting healthcare, focus on their compliance, patients outcomes metrics, and privacy emphasis. And if you are targeting real estate, then a location specific data, market comparison, timeline focus. So focus on this and make a personalized email. And if you are targeting financial services, then focus on their security emphasis, ROI metrics, compliance focus. So try to research on this sector and find their unique email. copy. And if you are targeting technology, IT, then technical specificity and integration focus, scale metrics. If you are targeting like manufacturing, then efficiency metrics, cost reductions and process improvement. Just focus on these three things and write a email. It will be really focused and people will open it, and you will get a good response rate from here. At it 100% guaranteed. We already tested it at least for 10,000 emails. Okay, so it's guaranteed. We are getting results. So if you are doing the same, you also get the result. Okay, the best practice is like universal truth, that is always verify industry terms. Like if you're targeting any industries, try to verify all the industry terms, use industry specific metrics, the standard metrics you need to follow, reference relevant case studies. So if you're targeting marketing agencies, then you need to show a case study about marketing agency, not a healthcare agency, right? And adjust formal and casual tones. Don't use always form like professional tones. Sometimes casual tones work. Respects industry's timelines. Okay, so you need to also respect the timelines. So remember that the key is not just copying this template, but understanding why they work for each industry. You need to do some research, and after that you will find that options. Okay, so remember that this is like if you just copy and paste it, it will not work. Before copy and paste it, you need to do a lot of research to personalize it, and drop a comment with your industry. I'll help you to customize this template. That's it for today. So if you want any suggestion or if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to reach out to you and give your solution by your comment. And if you want to do a cold mail, and we have a done for you system, so if you just book a call with me, then we can help you with that. So take care, bye bye.